crap. Look at all this space. Too small? Could we live in this?
Yes.
It's pretty. It's so pretty. Well,
Welcome to the Colorado RV Show.
Yeah.
We've been thinking our Rpod might not be enough anymore. So we came here to figure out what actually makes sense for how we want to travel.
It's Matt from Liquefied. Well, not
Welcome
really
to the
live.
Colorado RV Show. So what's going on? What are you guys doing here?
Nothing. You know, we have an Rpod 192.
Nice.
We love
Did you
it.
hear we're paying top dollar for those this weekend?
Are you really?
Yeah.
Oh, we're going, okay, well, maybe it's time to upgrade.
Yes.
If you're going from a 192, what do you suggest? You've seen them all.
Give me your parameters first.
Travel trailer or fifth wheel?
Are you trying to stay under 30 feet or under 35 feet?
Under 35.
My personal favorites, by the way, they're all great.
Okay.
Alliance Grand Design Brinkley. With that said, I personally own an Alliance Delta.
Okay.
I own a 262 RB. I love it.
Okay.
Alliance is the best.
We hear fifth wheels are easier to pull than travel trailers. Would you upgrade to a fifth wheel?
No. So, yeah, that's not true. We just went to Walmart on Monday and Will's dually pulled my travel trailer down. I swear to God, I got a speeding ticket. I did in Oklahoma.
Oh my goodness.
Yep, I got a speeding ticket because it was like nothing. Like you don't feel it.
CHASE.
Uh-huh.
Your YOUR.
Yep.
ESCAPE.
No spaces. If you use that promo code on liquefiedrv.com, I will have 120 free bottles of Liquefied ready for you. Only for your viewers,
Thank
though.
you.
By the way, that's a one-time use.
Yes.
And by the way,
Okay.
I see your accounts. If you've claimed like 3 or 4 free bottles before, I'm canceling your shipping. Okay? I gotta say that now. Oh, you do gotta pay $5.99 for shipping.
Oh,
That's it.
that's
And if you already have Liquefied, you can use it for Liquid Shine. Pretty much it's just gonna be a $25 gift card off our website. So
sweet.
Yep.
Excellent.
Think of me
Thank
when you poop.
Yes. We've always dreamed about having an Airstream. The question is, would we buy one? Let's go look. It's pretty. It's so pretty. I like the U. Like, this is like a true U. Has lots of countertop space. I don't know though. Compared to the 192, everything has a lot of countertop space. Oh, that's a big deep drawer. There's plenty of storage in here. Oh, the bathroom. Split bathroom. That might be something we're gonna have to get used to. But it's big enough, maybe. Maybe even shave my legs. I don't know how I feel about a bed like this. I wonder if the twins flip this way. That would give you more room, but then I couldn't sleep with you. The refrigerator, it's kind of small. Okay, so the question is, could we live in this for 6 months?
Not this one. I think it's too small.
Too small? Okay,
Maybe the
so
27.
maybe the 27
Or the 30.
or the 30. Let's go see if they have some of those. Okay, so let's look at the 27 FB. Okay, what do you think about the hatch?
I like it. I just don't know how functional it is overall.
I'm gonna put, there's a pillow behind me. I'm gonna lean up, like I'm watching television. Yeah, I don't know. I love the windows though. If these were open, that would be wonderful. Tons of light. I think I would need more than one pillow. Look at all this countertop space. That's big. We could hold 6 months of food.
Yep. No.
This is our fridge. We could get behind that. We know how much food fits in there.
We do.
Okay, so not 6 months. Maybe a week. Again, split bathroom. I don't know how I feel about the split bathroom. Tell us how you feel about the split bathroom.
Yeah.
So I'm not a fan of the twin. I don't think Corey's a fan of the twin.
I am not a fan of it.
But are you guys fans of the twin? We've heard 2 sides, space to change and do all that stuff. But I kind of like cuddling with my husband. Can we live in this for 6 months?
More. I think there's
I think
more
we're
room
close.
to do it.
Because it's way bigger than ours that we have now. The Rpod 192 is 19 feet. This is 27. So, double.
No.
My math's off.
1.5.
1.5. So we're close though. I think we're close. Okay. Shall we go see what other
Yes.
is here? Okay. Our first peek at the World Traveler. I don't know how much we're gonna see because we know that this will not work. I think Weekenders, perfect. Let's go look. Your opinions?
Too small.
Too small, but it's great. Okay, so I love that Airstream has decided to kind of focus on those that are Weekenders and have SUVs. I think for us, I don't know that this will be okay. Let's go, there's a few more.
And it turns out we're not the only ones struggling with this decision.
It's dangerous for me to walk on Airstream, honestly.
Oh, same here.
I've been hot on buying one for, what, 15 years, 20
Oh
years?
gosh. Well, what makes you guys stop and not do it? Money. Oh yeah.
We've got a camper van, actually. It gets pretty tight in there. We have 2 Siberian Huskies.
Oh gosh, that's a lot of dog in a small space. Well, good luck. Good talking to y'all.
Yeah, good talking to you.
Yeah. Let's look at the Stetson 6s. Do you own any cowboy hats?
I do not.
I hope these come out. And this is like super soft. Nice farmhouse sink. It's gorgeous. And it's a queen. Okay, sign us up. It's queen. Meets all the boxes.
I don't think so.
Oh, come on. No? What turns you off? The hat racks?
On to the next.
On to the next. Because I've heard Brinkley and Alliance and Grand Design should be on the top of our list. So let's go look. Look at the storage. It's huge. I don't know what I'd do with all that storage. But Brinkley Z, it might be a little bigger than all the other ones we've seen. Holy crap. Look at all this space. I could dance. I'm pretty sure I know the answer to this. Can we live in this for 6 months?
Yes.
Because if you said no, we're in deep trouble. This has got great countertop space. Still a 1-butt kitchen. I mean, Costco run. This bathroom is huge. Pretty sure I would have no problem shaving my legs in this shower. And like spa? Who has a spa in their RV?
It's massive.
One less thing to leak on the roof. Bed. You know what you don't have to do in this bedroom? Put the bed up. It stays down. Walk around. I am in love with this closet. This is tough. Washer dryer prep. Really? Why are you showing me this one?
I didn't show you this one.
Because Corey really wants the Airstream. Okay. Wow. Okay, so 6 months out of the year, could we live in this?
Yes.
Do we want to pull this?
Maybe.
It does have slides. We're not huge fans of slides. But to have room to dance, that might be something to consider. Okay, let's go look in a van. Maybe. This is gonna be a big fat no. I think it works for others. I don't think it works for me. Next.
Amy's new camper. I see a 192 in the wild.
Ooh, a 192. Oh my gosh. Do you see everything that they've done? We're shopping.
It's pretty good.
Too, and they've just done a great job. I don't know, if you're a couple, you want to just hitch up and go.
Right.
This is, I mean, we love our. Okay, so the question is, do we get a new Rpod 192 because of all these features?
But we're not going to do it 6 months traveling with a Murphy bed.
I know.
We came here thinking we knew what we wanted, but now we're not so sure anymore.
We need to decide, are we Team Airstream, Team Brinkley?
No, I think both would be amazing options. Yeah.
I think so too.
But
So we're curious, what would you pick?
Don't forget to hit subscribe.
see which rig we get.
We might surprise you. We might end up with an Earth Roamer.
No, probably wouldn't.
He says no.